guys, my name is Javidan here, and yep, today I will show you how to build an installer. Sorry about that. So here I have the example here already run. So already I already compile and run the setup. I'm using Visual Studio 2019 and Visual 2. So this is the installer right here. I already run it. If I run it again, it will cause a black screen on my OBS recorder. So what you're gonna do right now is you download a third-party app to make installers. So Microsoft does not provide the ability to create installer. So search it up on your preferred search engine. Setup. So here, go to this, and yep, you can download setup. Just choose file name. The download link I will provide in the description below. Make sure you check it. So after you install it, you will be after you install it and run it, you will be greeted with this welcome. So if you accidentally close it like this, don't worry, you can do that. Or if you don't accidentally close it, then create new script file using the script wizard. Choose this one. Okay, you can leave this alone, you don't have to check it. This will be your application name. So this will be your application version 0. This will be your name. Like if you want to put your name on it or your company's name, then go ahead. And this will be your website. So if you have a website, then go ahead, you can copy paste it like mine here. By the way, I already update my website. Click next, and you can leave this alone. Next, browse. So this will be the tricky part. After you like run your setup file provided by Microsoft, it's a bit tricky to find. So open up File Explorer, open up your user file. So user, so this is my user file. So you have to find the app data file. So you might not see it, but if you go to view and check this one out, check this checkbox, hidden items, you will see it. App data, local apps 2.0. Oh, there we go, I clicked the wrong folder. So yeah, sorry me. So my program file name is example. So find So fine, so this will be it. File. So if your name is this and this and it have exe on it, that wasn't your program. But if it's just a name like this, file Tian, then this will be your program. Like my program name is file. Okay, so this is the one that I show you guys. See, available in exam Tian, not exam exe, no, exam Tian. Okay, so copy paste the directory. Paste. Add folder. Local apps 2.0. Exam Tian. Yes, just click yes. Next. You have to uncheck it to check the checkbox. License file, ignore that. None. Always use this, like always use this. And you can leave this alone. Next. Next. Custom output folder, so this will be your result. My output folder will be and your setup file name. So this will be your icon. If you made it, then okay, but if you don't, then it's okay too. So this part here is optional, and this one too. Yes. So this will be your saving option. Again, this is optional, but I highly recommend you to save it, because if something really happens to your script, then you can back up. If something happens to your installer, then you can basically back it up. Okay, finish. You can close that down, and after you scroll it, here we go. Example setup. See the program. So very useful program. So anyway, sorry for the trouble. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.